Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Monday.com. We'll start on a board I'll simply call the sample project. Open that board so you can see the main table. To demonstrate undo, select any test item on the board. I'm choosing a sample item so we can safely reverse the change. With the item selected, open its context options and choose delete. Monday.com will ask you to confirm because deleting an item removes its updates, subitems, and column values from the board. Go ahead and confirm the delete so the item is removed. Right after you confirm, look to the top of your screen. You'll see a small banner letting you know the item was deleted, and it includes an undo button. That banner is the fastest way to reverse an action you just took. Click undo, and the item instantly reappears with all of its details restored, right back in the same group and position. If you made the deletion by mistake, this is usually all you need. Now, what if that banner disappears before you can click it, or you want to review what happened before deciding? There's another reliable path. In the top right corner of the board, open the three-dot menu. From this menu, choose Activity Log. The Activity Log shows a chronological list of recent changes on this board, including item creations, updates, status changes, and deletions. In the log, locate the deletion entry for the sample item you just removed. You can scan by item name and timestamp to find it quickly. When you click that entry, Monday.com will display the option to undo that specific change. Select Undo here, and the platform brings the item back, even if the original banner timed out. This is especially helpful when you're working quickly or collaborating and need a clear record of who changed what and when. A few tips as you use Undo. The banner only stays visible for a short time, so act quickly if you see it. The activity log is the best fallback when the moment has passed. Depending on your team's permissions, some actions may require the right level of access to reverse, and if you don't immediately see the item return, refresh the board to reload the latest state. That's it. You've learned the quick undo from the on-screen banner and the more thorough method through the activity log. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Monday.com.